How to remove a tire from a carbon rim. What you're going to need is a carbon rim and tire set, as well as a trigger clamp. Now this cost me approximately $15 at Canadian Tire, and for you Americans that's approximately $2 American. No, I'm just kidding. The Canadian ruble is devaluated right now. The process goes something like this. What we're going to do is we're going to let the air out. Now this is a tubeless setup that I have, and it'll work on tubeless or with tube. Try to get out as much air as you possibly can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the clamp on. So center the clamp in such a way that you're not going to be compressing on the carbon rim, but just on the tire. Squeeze it together to get it going. So make sure it's sitting on the tire and not on the rim. That's all you have to be careful of. And then squeeze. Till it's nice and tight. Okay. And then simply just twist. There you go. That's how easy it is.